Children, today we are going to see worksheet number 13, water. First one, multiple choice questions. Match the statement with the reason. Choose the appropriate answer. Assertion. Water resources are getting depleted. Reason, population or explosion and lifestyle changes. Yes, தண்ணியோட அளவு குறைஞ்சிட்டே இருக்கு, நீர்மூலங்களோட அளவு. காரணம் பாப்புலேஷன் எக்ஸ்ப்ளோஷன், மக்கட்தொகை பெருக்கம், அப்புறம் லைஃப் ஸ்டைல் சேஞ்ச் ஆகிறது. ரெண்டுமே கரெக்ட். ஸோ ஆன்சர் இஸ் டி, போத் ஆர் கரெக்ட். Read the assertion and reason deeply. Choose the appropriate answer. Assertion. Ice skaters glide freely on the ice. Reason, freezing point of water increases with pressure. ஐஸ் ஸ்கேட்டர்ஸ் ஈஸியாக ஐஸில் மூவ் ஆகுறாங்க. அதுக்கு ரீசன் என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா, ஃப்ரீசிங் பாயிண்ட் ஆஃப் வாட்டர் இன்க்ரீசஸ் வித் ப்ரெஷர். ப்ரெஷர் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகும்போது ஃப்ரீசிங் பாயிண்ட் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆச்சு அப்படின்னா அவங்க ஃப்ரீயாக மூவ் பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ இட் இஸ் ராங். ஸோ அசர்ஷன் அலோன் இஸ் ரைட் தி கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். ஸோ பி. Then third one, when you dip the litmus paper in pure water, the blue litmus paper remains unchanged because it is a pure water, and for water the pH value remains same. So the answer is remains unchanged. You may have seen that some water pipes are coated with rust in your surroundings. Can you tell the chemical name of rust? We know that chemical name of rust is iron oxide. Formula is Fe2O3.XH2O. In your home or school or somewhere else, you may have seen RO purifier which are used to remove the dissolved impurities and germs. Here the RO stands for reverse osmosis. Answer is fifth one, C. Sixth one, which is not suitable for the killing of germs. For killing of germs, we are using ultraviolet rays in some RO purifiers, and then sunlight is used in sterilization process, and reverse osmosis which is used to kill the germs. So infrared is not used in the process of killing of germs. So the answer is sixth one, B. Hardness of water is due to the presence of, it is a direct question, salt of calcium and magnesium. So answer is B. Then hardness of water can be removed by boiling, ion exchange, adding washing soda, and distillation also we can use. So all the above is the correct answer. Ninth one, statement 1, microbeads are small round plastics added in human toiletry products. So microbeads are nothing but they are round plastics which are used in the shampoo, then some toiletry products. So they are not harmful to the water and living things in them. Here we are using plastic. So plastic is always harmful one. So here the statement one alone is correct. So the answer is C. How will you classify your domestic waste and plastics? Recyclable, non-recyclable and biodegradable. D. Answer briefly. 11th one, fill in the facts about pure water. So we know that boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius, freezing point 0 degrees Celsius, density 1 gram per c cube. 12th one, list of few characteristics of potable water. It is a direct question which is given in your book, page number 145. Answers are colorless and odorless, transparent, free from harmful microorganisms, free from impurities. Next one, tabulate the items given below as water pollutants and water non-pollutants. So water pollutant, non-water pollutants are rainwater, ice cubes, and water plants and oxygen. Water pollutants are remaining or water pollutants. You just pick it up and write. 14th one, fill in the gaps. It is also given in your book. So here the given fill-ups are plastic microbes. Sources are plastic clothing and then skin products, etc. And then pollutant for insecticide, it is DDT. Nitrates, it leads to decrease in plants and animal diversity. Cadmium, it is very toxic and pollutes potable groundwater, negative impact to human health. 15th one, Murugan argues that using organic fertilizers and pest control products helps to protect aquatic environment. Can you justify his argument? Yes, Murugan's argument is correct because artificial fertilizers affects the land and fertilizers mixed with water and it can cause eutrophication. These substances can also be harmful to the aquatic life also. So, Murugan's argument is correct. Next one. Water pollution affects human life and biodiversity. Suggest 5 points to minimize water pollutants. It is also given in your book. Use biodegradable detergents. Do not throw waste such as plastics in water. Use pesticides instead of chemical pest control. 17th one. How the thermal pollution affects the aquatic life. So it is also given in your book. You just copy it. Large amount of water is used for cooling purposes in thermal and nuclear power plants and many industries. Water used for cooling purposes discharged back to a river to original water source at a raised temperature and sometimes with the chemicals. This causes rise in temperature and decreases the amount of oxygen dissolved in water, which adversely affects the aquatic life. ஸோ நம்ம டெம்பரேச்சர் ரைஸ் ஆன வாட்டர் நம்ம வாட்டர் பாடிஸில் போடும்போது ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக அங்கே இருக்கிற டெம்பரேச்சர் ரைஸ் ஆகும், வாட்டரோட டெம்பரேச்சர் ரைஸ் ஆகும். ஸோ வாட்டர் டெம்பரேச்சர் ரைஸ் ஆகும்போது அங்கே இருக்க ஆக்சிஜன் லெவல் டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகும். ஸோ ஆக்சிஜன் லெவல் டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகுது அப்படின்னாலே அக்வாட்டிக் லைஃப் வந்து உயிர் வாழ்கிறது கஷ்டம். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த ஆன்சர். தேங்க்யூ.